Hello, this is Sally Miller in Ed Services, and I would like to take this opportunity to share with you a feature in EADMS that you may find very useful. You now have the ability to unsubmit a student's test. I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to do that and then talk about when that might be appropriate. So if you go to the left-hand side, once you've logged into EADMS, then click on Utilities, click on Managers, and then click on Unsubmit Online Tests. This will probably default to your information. I'm going to change it to a teacher in school where I know there's some data, and then you click Next. What you will find is the tests that have data. So let's just say, for example, that a student started taking this Chapter 2 test and they only got partway through and they submitted their test before they were finished. That's one scenario where you may want to use this feature. The other one is if you want to have a student retake the test. Let's say, for example, that you administered the test to your class. You found that there were certain areas that you need to do some reteaching for. You could then reteach that area and allow students to go back in and take the test over again. The difference between deleting their data and unsubmitting their data is when you unsubmit, you are only getting rid of their score. You're not getting rid of their answers. For example, I'm going to choose this test. And now I see a list of all the students. I could check, let's pretend like Emily submitted her test prematurely. She wasn't done yet. She needs to go back in. I can click on Emily and unsubmit her test. That means Emily can log back in, take the test, and she will see the answers that are already there. It does not erase her current answers. So if she already completed 1 through 10, she can just start at number 11, finish her test, and then submit it. The other case scenario is, like I said, let's say you did some reteaching and you have 6 or 7 students that want to retake the test. You can click on those students and unsubmit their test. When they log in, they will still see the answers that they submitted the first time around, but they could go through the test and change any answers they want and then resubmit it. That way you will still have all of your data in one area. Instead of having them take a copy of the test, you can have them do it this way. What's important, of course, is that you don't go over the test with them before you have them retake it. If you look at the top, like for example, if I click here, it clarifies that for you. It says unsubmitting online tests will remove the scores and allow the students to log back into online testing with any existing responses preloaded. Students are able to resubmit their tests once completed. So again, it does not erase their answers. It only erases their scores. I hope you find that helpful. And if you have any questions, please give me an email or give me a call. My extension is 18016. Thank you.